So here's CoStar app. It's an interesting app which is kind of social media app, but also with some parts of astrology. So here it is. So you can just get it. 158,000 reviews here, 4.8 out of 5 average rating. As you can see, it's in the top charts actually in the App Store. It's the hyper-personalized social experience bringing astrology into the 21st century. So CoStar asks what minute you were born, a new way to understand relationships, powered by AI. And yeah, this is a super interesting app. So it uses some AI modeling to create horoscopes and some like daily advice. So to create an account, you just need to sign up and then just enter date where you were born, city, and specific time. So then you can just open the app. And then here's how it looks like. So you can see your charts, you can see all of the like astrology information. So for example, today it says, do not be ashamed of your actions, power in all of these things. So that's what you can see. Then you can just see the charts, you can see some updates, you can see some like short summary based on your updates. And yeah, so it's pretty interesting. Then you can save some of them. Then there are of course settings where you can reserve your name, username, you can connect Facebook, change profile photo, some of the details. You can just play with it dependent. But the cool part is also you can add friends here. So you can just search for the profile, and this is the way to just add some profiles. And then also give access to your contacts and allow friends to access your profiles. So that's the idea. Yeah, so and then you can just interact with each other, and then depending on friends you have, this app will tell you, for example, this is the good day to hang out with this friend, or this is a good day to build to do this with your partner or something like that. And this makes this app pretty fun to use, and it adds this like social media element to the astrology. Also you can add a widget. If you tap and hold, you can see there is a widget. You can add it, and then you will just see this your day at a glance, and then you will just select one phrase per day. Where you can just see the ideas, what you have planned for a day, or what you need to do, or some advice or something like that. So that can be interesting for sure. So that's the app. Definitely give it a try. Super interesting app.